Meaning of insightful.
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 Insightful. The word insightful refers to having a deep understanding and perception of a situation or problem. In other words, it means being able to see beyond the surface level and truly comprehend the underlying complexities of a particular issue. An insightful individual is someone who doesn't just accept things at face value but instead delves deeper to uncover unique perspectives and solutions. This quality is highly valued in fields such as business, science, and academia, where the ability to think critically and creatively can make all the difference in achieving success.